Check out this 1997 Mazda B-Series 2WD truck. Not being the original owner of this automobile means savings for you. There are no known defects in this vehicle. This vehicle has not been smoked in. There is absolutely no evidence of prior damage or repairs to this vehicle. Internet pricing subject to change at any time, and is only available with approved dealer financing. Please call us for more information. The special internet price is $4,991. Contact the dealership today.